Preparing for Java questions for a software engineering interview is important for demonstrating your Java knowledge, handling technical discussions, having confidence during the interview, and differentiating yourself.
What is a functional interface in Java? A functional interface is an interface that has only one abstract method. It can be used as the target for Lambda expressions and method references. What is the default keyword in Java interfaces? The default keyword defines a default implementation for a method in an interface. It allows interfaces to evolve without breaking existing implementations. How does Java support multithreading? Java provides built-in support for multithreading through the thread class and the java.util.concurrent package. Threads can be created by extending the thread class or implementing the runnable interface. Synchronization mechanisms like locks and semaphores are available to manage thread synchronization and coordination. What is the purpose of the volatile keyword in Java? The volatile keyword is used to indicate that multiple threads may modify a variable's value. It ensures that the variable is always read from and written to the main memory. This way, volatile prevents any thread-specific caching. What is the purpose of the synchronize keyword in Java? The synchronize keyword is used to create synchronized blocks and methods, ensuring that only one thread can access the synchronized code block or method at a time. The synchronize keyword helps achieve thread safety and prevent race conditions. What is the difference between an array list and a linked list? An array list is implemented as a resizable array, while a linked list is implemented as a doubly linked list. Array list provides fast random access but slower insertion and removal operations in the middle of an array list. Inserting or removing elements in the middle of an array list can be slow because it requires shifting all the elements after the insertion or removal point. On the other hand, the insertion and removal operations are faster in a linked list because there is no resizing of an array done in the background. When a new item is added somewhere in the middle of the list, only references and surrounding elements need to change. But certain operations, such as searching for an element or iterating through the list, can be slower in a linked list because it is a linear data structure that must be traversed from the head node until the end of the list. Random access is not possible in a linked list due to its dynamic memory allocation. What is the difference between a hash map and a hash table? Both hash map and hash table are used to store key value pairs. But hash map is not synchronized and allows null keys and any number of null values, while hash table is synchronized and does not allow null keys or values. What is the difference between the compare to and equals methods? The compare to method compares two objects based on their natural ordering and returns a negative, 0, or positive value. The equals method is used to check if two objects are equal based on their content or value. What is the purpose of the string builder class? The string builder class is used to create and manipulate mutable strings. It provides methods for efficient string concatenation and modification. String builder executes significantly faster, as unlike string buffer, the methods in the string builder class are not synchronized. What is the purpose of the math class in Java? The math class in Java provides many methods for mathematical operations, such as finding the square root, absolute value, trigonometric functions, and many more. What are the different types of loops in Java? Java supports several types of loops: for loop, while loop, do while loop, and the enhanced for each loop. What is the purpose of the instance of operator in Java? The instance of operator checks if an object is an instance of a specific class or a class that inherits from it. What is the purpose of the finalize method in the object class? The finalize method is called by the garbage collector before an object is garbage collected. It can be overridden to perform any necessary cleanup or resource release operations. The finalize method is not guaranteed to be called. What is constructor chaining in Java? Constructor chaining refers to calling one constructor from another constructor within the same class, or between parent and child classes using the this or super keywords. What is the difference between the stack and the heap memory? The stack memory is used for storing method calls, local variables, and references to objects. On the other hand, the heap memory is dynamically allocated and is used for storing objects.